Cucina. We got a really good one for you. This is a summer treat. This is Vito's summer pasta salad, and it is wonderful. As you saw at the beginning of this taping here, I have all these ingredients. We have tomatoes and red onions and pasta and Castelvetrano olives from where my family's from, in Castelvetrano, Sicily. Then we have cucumbers, and we have regular black olives, and we got some chopped artichokes, which are beautiful. And then, of course, we have I'm going to use Barilla. This is a rotini. Barilla tri-colored rotini. It gives it a lot of color. And you know what? You're going to ask me, well, how come they are tri-colored? Because that's what they did there. They just tri-colored them. And by the way, in southern Italy, this translates to small wheels. And if you look close, come here closer. Look how these little wheels, they put them together. But you know what? The great thing about this is that they're designed this way to catch sauce or to catch dressing. And that's what we're going to be putting on this. And I'm going to be using this wishbone zesti robusto Italiano dressing. And you can use any kind you want, but I'm going to use this today. So, it's real easy. Let's go do it right now. I'm going to tell you, this is so simple, it's going to make you crazy. It's going to be delicious. Come on in here. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of the pasta into the bowl, like so, just like this. And we're going to start out with just a little bit like this, okay? We're going to start out with just a little bit. Then I'm going to get some red onion, and I'm going to put some red onion in here. And you're going to say, well, how much of this, how much of that? This is a whole onion. This is 2 pounds of pasta, rotini, right? And these are little cherry tomatoes, pomodoros, and I used a half a box of these. And everything I did, I cut them up and mixed them up like this. So you got to do a little work at the beginning, but you're gonna love it. Castelvetrano olives, mild. They're from Sicily, where my family's from, the Giambalvos. Anyway, I'm gonna put a little bit of those in there. I'm only doing a little bit at a time because I don't want to overwhelm it. Chopped cucumber. Look at this. Now, as you can see here in the chopped cucumber, if you come on in closer, you'll see I left some of the skin on. And take a look at this little demonstration I just did for you before I did it. Look at that. Look at that. Look how that looks beautiful. You just take a little bit of the skin off, and then you leave it on. That way it gives you a little bit more color, like that. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in there, just like this, so, like that. Then I'm going to have some black olives, regular black olives. You can get them sliced. We'll put a little bit of those in there, just like this. And I'll tell you what, don't be using any salt in here because there'll be enough salt. A little bit of the olives, you know what I mean? So, and now some artichokes, which I absolutely love, these artichokes. I might do a little bit more of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get some more rotini, small wheels, and put a little bit more on top like this, just like that, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come on over and to get the wishbone Italian zesti. And you say, how much do you use of this? I'm going to use it to what I think. And if it don't work out, then I'll put some more. So you just go, look at how easy this is. You can get this at your store, and you go and you mix it in, you put it in just like this. Be healthy with how much you put in, and then you get in there and you just start turning it around. Look at this. Oh my God! Look at this. Was this simple or not? Look at this. Look. 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 Oh my God. Look how gorgeous this is. Look at all the colors. This is a great summer feast. What you do is after you go ahead and do this, I'm going to put a little more of the Italian dressing, and then I'll tell you, I think that's going to be enough. Do it to your liking, and then you just go ahead and mix it up like this, like that. Now, some people like to go ahead and use some Parmesan cheese or some Romano cheese at the end, but I really don't. But I got to tell you something. My mother used to make this, and it is just delicious. Now, the best thing to do is to go ahead and refrigerate this. But right now, I'm just going to take a try. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to try it. Perfezione. Thanks for joining us at Vito's Italian Cucina. Don't forget, we're on the Cal Network, and you can reach us at YouTube to subscribe. That's right, subscribe, I said. I got a mouthful. What are you going to do? I'm an Italian kid. Ciao for now. Arrivederci.